What is going on, YouTube? So for the past 4 days we have been working very hard to put the head on the car and get everything running with the new turbo, new cam, head, and new timing belt and all of that stuff. It hasn't been as straightforward as I thought it would be. I've had to make a lot of changes to the exhaust, make a lot of changes to intake pipes and all of that stuff, but I think we're getting there. So I haven't really been filming a video per each day, I guess, like I did with the head, the build on the head. So instead, I've just been filming little clips here and there because I want to get this done and I want to focus on working on the car. So it hasn't been too much filming each day, but we have filmed some stuff. So I will include that in a big video for you guys, and you guys can just see the whole process from start to finish. Not step by step, but you will see kind of the progress that we've made over the days and the final product after everything is done. So we should be good. I'm going to keep working on it. I'm not done yet. It should be done by Friday, hopefully. I'm having trouble with the oil drain on the turbo. It's in a wrong spot, so we're going to have to get some parts in, and hopefully they'll come on Friday so we can be done completely with that. But yeah, let's keep working on it and let's get it done. it won't start. So I'm not sure what is going on. I'm gonna go over everything in the morning, double check some stuff, and we'll see if we can get it started tomorrow. But it's ready to go. I'm super pumped on that. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the morning. What is going on, YouTube? So I have been fighting with the engine for like, I don't even know, probably like 4 hours total last night and then a little bit this morning. And I kind of went online looking at how these adjustable cam gears work. There's a 0 mark, there's a +5, and there's a -5, and then all the marks in between. And what I did when I put the engine or put the timing belt on was just use the 0 mark as the timing mark. So it is on time there, but I don't think that that is the actual timing mark for the gear, because it's just falling right in between some teeth. And then on this gear, we have a notch cut kind of towards the front side of a tooth right here. So I don't think that that was actually a timing mark for that gear. That's the only thing I can think of. I went through, changed out spark plug wires, changed spark plugs. We can get it to almost fire up. It stumbles a little bit, but it just does not want to run. So it's got to be timing related. So we're going to pull that gear off and figure out if the timing marks on that are actually correct or if they're wrong. Alright, so shout out to OBX for the good visual. As you guys can see, that is the mark that I used for timing the engine, and that is clearly not the mark. So I lined up the Woodruff keyholes on both cams. I have the OEM one right behind here, and I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but here, let's throw it down on the ground. The timing mark on the LBX that I used is right here. And thank God that I didn't hit any valves on the pistons or do anything bad. So this is what I used to time the engine. The timing mark in real life, on the OEM cam gear, is at the front of this tooth right here. So I was off probably, I don't even know how many degrees. I just thought, since this one does not have a timing mark on the teeth, that the center line would be the timing mark here. But in theory, right here at the front of this tooth, the timing mark should be right there. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is actually just get a small carbide burr on the Dremel and just notch it right in there so we can know. And then I'm going to throw this gear back on, because that should be the correct timing mark in relation to the Woodruff key and where the cam is located. So we were way off, and we got really lucky that we did not hit the pistons with the valve. So yeah, let's get it changed up, guys. Alright, and there is the new timing mark, guys. Let's get this thing thrown back on, and hopefully the engine will run. Boys, we got it. So there it was running. Not as lopey as I thought it would be. It kind of smoothed out, so not sure what that is, but it ran, and super pumped. I forgot to put on the serpentine belt, so everything was kind of freaking out, but we should be good. Let's throw it all back together and let's get it going. I still do have to finish the exhaust portion because that was just it. Open pipe right in the middle of the car, so I'm gonna finish this today. Yeah, super excited. I can't wait to drive this thing. and we're gonna keep a close eye on everything, make sure everything is good. I do have to put more coolant in. I have to monitor the oil, monitor fluids, make sure nothing is leaking underneath. But so far we look good, and the car is almost ready to rip, guys. All right, guys, and just like that, we finished. Brady came over and helped motivate the welding and everything, so we got it done. Everything works really well. We have a muffler on it now. It sounds pretty nice. I just used one of these little single chamber mufflers just to kind of take the edge off of it, so it doesn't sound so much like an SRT4, Brady said, which is a good analogy. You guys all know what an SRT4 little Dodge Neon sounds like, so we don't want that. Anyway, it is done. We have a little oil leak on the bottom, so it's jacked up. It's coming from the turbo drain. I'm gonna try and fix that, and yeah. So much. Oh wow, that's great. This is great. That's not even, we're not even on it. Jesus. That's about all we're getting. What? That's about all we're getting. Well, I don't want to rip it too hard. I want to kind of break the turbo in a little bit.
Yeah, I get that.